Upgrading the railing on your deck can completely transform it. But there are 4 mistakes to avoid before you even make a single purchase. Let's talk about it. The first mistake to avoid is not being aware of local code requirements. Within the US, there are numerous different code requirements, and they all vary between different counties and municipalities. Despite this, there are a few code requirements that are fairly universal. The height of railing on stairs should generally be 36 inches. When it comes to balconies, the height will generally be required to be between 36 and 42 inches. Although here at BuRail, we typically recommend 39 inches or 42 inches in height. A 4-inch sphere cannot pass through the railing. And another one is, the railing must be able to withstand 200 pounds of lateral force. Just be sure to double check the requirements for your area before purchasing the railing. The second mistake to avoid is not considering the maintenance needs of railing. The maintenance for each type of railing varies between each material. Wood can decay or rot and requires yearly maintenance in order to maintain the quality, whereas cable railing isn't really the best for coastal environments, as the salt water can cause corrosion. And even though glass is low maintenance, it does require you to keep it clean in order to keep a crystal clear view. By the way, another mistake to avoid is not hitting the like button, and that's easy to solve right now. The third and most common mistake that people make is buying railing specifically for the price. Consider this, for example. When you're in the market for a car, it's probably not the best idea to buy the cheapest car in the lot, because it's probably the cheapest for a reason. While it's important to consider price, it can't be the sole factor. A good criteria to consider when purchasing railing is your personal budget, look and style, and maintenance required for railing type. The fourth and final mistake to avoid when purchasing railing is not properly measuring your deck before buying the railing. This can lead to you purchasing too much material or not enough, or even just purchasing the wrong parts altogether. In order to help prevent you from making this mistake, we've put together this video right here that shows you all the steps to properly measure your railing. You can check it out right now.